Hello my wonderful fans. We are back today with a snack crate. We're going to try them out and see what snacks taste like in the Caribbean. So what we have here, we have a coupon or something, yeah, coupon. What's in here, a little book that some fun facts and what's in the boxes and what they are. A heat rating of more than 1.2 million Scoville units, the Moruga Scorpion chili pepper from Trinidad and Tobago is one of the hottest peppers in the world. Well, I haven't tried eating one of those yet. Let's not. Alright, we got some stickers, I think.
Yeah, they look like stickers.
Got some bananas playing instruments.
One's playing drum and one's playing guitar.
In the side of our box here, what do we have? We have
No. I'm getting a drink for this.
we have Bigfoot spicy picante giant sized cheese snacks.
Let me see if this water's good.
Try that.
Yeah, this water's good. For that. I'm scared. But
Alright, we lost somebody already. Lost my remote.
I'm having a drink for this.
Oh, they must have some good glue down there. Jeez, I can't even pop it.
Yeah, some people pop chips at school. There.
There we go.
Oh, they look hot.
Oh, they look like little feet. Look at these little feet.
Yeah, that's why they're called Bigfoot.
You know, little feet, foot,
Foot.
spicy foot.
I'm scared.
Oh, they smell like cheese puffs.
The spicy ones. I can't eat another bite.
There it is.
I can't eat another bite. Mm.
They aren't too bad compared to the massive ghost pepper challenge I did. Yeah, they are a little bit spicy.
Too hot for me.
No, they taste like those hot Cheetos.
Yeah, but a little bit spicier.
Now here we have chicken chips. Ketchup flavored.
I do like ketchup. Mmm. That little big spicy foot is good.
They look like little French fries.
The veggie chips, whatever they are.
Ooh, they smell like vinegar.
Oh, gross. Mmm. They taste like those veggie things. Do you know the veggie things? They look just like this, but in color. These taste just like them. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
I'm not sure about those. They kind of taste good. They kind of taste like those Burger King French fry chips they had a few years ago.
It's probably better than that black licorice, the last thing we had.
Anything's better than black licorice.
Yeah, black licorice is the worst.
Now, this one looks safe.
Banana chips.
Banana chips.
They must be chips that taste like banana.
I tried making some banana chips and they didn't turn out too good.
Yeah, they were still really squishy.
Yeah.
Well, not really squishy. They were a little squishy, but still.
They were tasting weird,
Well, they
but
taste.
they were good.
Yeah, they
Oh,
taste.
look at that. They look like potato chips. Grab them. See that. see if they're made out of bananas. Oh, they are. Green bananas.
Green.
Onion.
Wait. Oh, it tastes really weird.
Yeah. No.
It's a weird taste in banana.
Yeah. That does not taste like a banana at all.
I want to pick what we have next. On the next turn, I get the pick.
Cocoa Crisp.
Cocoa. On the next part, I'm
Candy
picking.
bar here. We have milk chocolate with tender coconut and crisp rice. I don't like coconut.
I love coconut.
Mm.
It reminds me of suntan lotion.
Chocolate. I love
Ooh,
chocolate.
it looks good.
Ooh, look at all that coconut in the middle of it. Ooh.
I love coconut. So.
Hey, it looks like marshmallows.
I have
Yum.
a little piece.
So good.
Is it good?
Yeah. Good for me.
No, I'm talking. You don't like it?
Why don't you like coconut?
The middle
I
tastes
don't
like.
know. I think it's the weird texture.
Oh man, can I have another piece? That's good. That's some good stuff.
Having nut salads. See more coconut stuff.
Yeah, me too. It could be good to me.
Chocolate digestive, as it kind of sounds like a laxative. I'm gonna eat this and take a poop. What is it? A chocolate covered wheat meal biscuit. Oh, it's like a fake cookie.
Looks like it. I mean, I have a little piece.
We're all gonna have to poop.
It tastes a little like this, but without coconut. I love it. Wait, what does digestive mean?
Your stomach and stuff. Digest
Nope.
your food.
Not good.
It doesn't really have a flavor.
My turn.
It doesn't have a food. There.
Strawberry ballers?
Strawberry ballers it is. What are these made out of? Corn grits, vegetable oil, sugar,
Booger?
artificial strawberry,
Sugar, not booger.
artificial food coloring.
She said it was made of booger, not sugar. It's made of sugar.
Yeah, no, I thought it was booger.
Looks good. It kind of looks like a red cheese ball.
Oh my gosh, it's not red. It's beautiful.
Oh, it smells like cereal.
So good.
And crunch berries.
Okay,
Those are good.
now it's starting to go bad.
I think I like those.
So it's getting bad. Yeah.
What else do we eat? Coconut.
Next is the golden nut again.
We'll try these things. Coconut and pineapple snacks.
You do not like coconut.
Just eat a little piece of that. Because you don't like coconut. So. Oh, the strawberry ballers actually taste like baby food. But still, tastes
Oh,
good.
no, that's a weird texture.
Oh.
Ugh.
Oh, it smells like coconut.
Mm.
Tastes like coconut.
There's some pineapple in it.
So good.
I'm in the mood to go tanning now.
Okay, Alex.
Oh,
Me pick. No, I was gonna. Oh. Yeah, you can pick that. And that.
What are these?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Ginger biscuits.
Kinder biscuits.
It sounds weird, but it could taste good.
Oh, I still can't even get this coconut pineapple thing down.
I'll get you a drink.
Oh,
I want Pepsi.
no. I think I have a monster out there.
Yeah, it's almost done. It has a little bit in it.
Ginger. I don't know. This sounds like a cookie with ginger in it.
Okay, now it tastes bad at the end. Blech.
What does? This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crack. You want a big one or a little piece?
Little piece.
A little.
And if I like it, I'll take
A tiny
like a
piece.
little more. Tiny? What? Oh, gross.
I don't like crackers.
Wait. Kind of tastes like animal crackers.
Yeah, that's it.
Yum.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. I really like it.
Not bad.
I love animal crackers, by the way.
Oh, it's got a little bit of an aftertaste though.
Nuggle. We got some nuggle.
Huh?
Lots of peanuts, chewy fudge, and creamy caramel and milk chocolate.
It's good it doesn't have coconut in it 'cause you don't want coconut.
They must have a lot of coconuts down there. Yeah, there's probably coconut in here anyway.
Caribbean. Caribbean.
I don't know how to pronounce it. Cardo, Mr. Carabini. Mr. Carabini. Yeah.
Our gym teacher's named Mr. Ryan. Hey, these are St. Mary's banana chips. St. Mary's.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Nope.
Mmm. Am I the only one that likes it?
Not bad.
Yeah. That's why I picked the nuggle.
Kind of tastes like a payday or something.
There's no coconut.
I'm the next one that picks.
Mm-hmm. Have fun. Enjoy your pick.
Which one of these?
Which one do you think you want? Catch.
Cat?
We got some catch here.
This is a, I don't know how to read that language. Oh, there we go. Soft caramel and crisp rice and milk chocolate. That sounds like it would be alright.
Yeah. Ooh. It kind of looks like the cocoa thing, doesn't it?
Hey, they have peanuts in them. Too.
It smells like vinegar. Kinda.
No, it smells like chocolate.
Mm. It's mostly chocolate. Okay, she passed out. Almost.
Oh, she's out of the video. Two things left.
Mm-hmm. Wait.
Oh,
Tiki Gold Coconut Craze. I can't really see what.
chocolatey coated wafer with a coconut cream filling.
Oh my god.
Coconut cream might be better than straight coconut. Oh, it's half melted. Why does it have to be 100 degrees out today?
Oh, it was 100 degrees and we were locked in the school.
Whoa.
Ah.
It is.
It
Oh.
looks like a wafer in here.
I smell the coconut.
Yeah, coconut cream is better than coconut. How is it to you? What do you like, coconut cream or coconut?
That's
like-
the straight up suntan lotion there.
I do not like coconut.
I love coconut. Boom.
Our last thing, we have Ovaltine cookies.
There was a bunch of chocolate today.
Delicious barley snack.
Ooh, hope you like this, guys.
I don't know if this is.
Full of crackers. Say Ovaltine on them.
Oh. I'll take my own piece. Wait.
This kind of tastes like graham crackers.
Blech.
I had honey graham crackers and a
Yeah.
blueberry muffin
Yeah.
for breakfast today.
Doesn't taste good.
The blueberry muffin was good.
I don't mind these. They're okay. That's it. All gone.
Well, I hope you like seeing us eat all this food.
Well, which ones were our favorite?
I like the Cocoa Crisp. The chicken chips.
Those were good, yeah.
I do not like.
Little cereal balls were pretty good that I just threw on the floor.
Yeah, it kind of tastes like baby food at the end of it, though.
I don't like this. I don't like this, but I like all the chocolate, and I like.
There is one way you could.
And then the worst tasting thing,
And these two are the good ones.
I picked this for tasting the worst.
Yeah, that was the worst. I mean, at the end, the coconut tastes bad.
I also like these.
Cameras behind you. Show them. Well, she picked these.
I picked these and the cereal stuff.
Let me go with cereal. Maybe these Ovaltine cookies. They weren't too bad.
You know those veggie stuff?
And the worst is definitely the coconut pineapple.
The
mess.
green
Or one. I don't
veggie thing, the red veggie thing. I mean, no, orange veggie thing. The yellow veggie thing. You know those veggie fries, whatever they are. They're just like
Yeah.
this.
Actually, I didn't like any of the coconut stuff. And the banana chips, they didn't taste like bananas.
I only like the Cocoa Crisp.
So if you go on a cruise, pack your own snacks.
Of course, because you might be going on a long ride and you might be starving during the ride. So
You don't want to eat their snacks. They have coconut and everything. Well, like us, share, subscribe, write us a letter, and we will see you next time.
Yeah.
and
Bye.
we will have a new snack crate. So see you later, peeps.